A little bit of an update today. I haven't been posting videos because I've been busy working on the truck. A few issues that we had. One, the truck was basically on a swamp and very difficult to work on. This is now, today is July the 12th, and the ground's so mushy where the truck sat that it was impossible. It was very difficult to jack. It was almost impossible. I'll go show you what it looks like where the old thing sat. So we were right here, and as you can see, we just pulled it out of the mud this morning. It was it's basically mud. And in July, it's still not dry enough to really work with. So just pulling it ahead a few feet really helped. I've been working on the engine to try and get it to spin. A friend of mine came out and measured the bore. So it's not a 272 as I thought. It's a 292, just from measuring the bore, which makes a little bit of sense because of the way the manuals are written. There's almost nothing about the 272, but the tag definitely says 272 and means 272. It must be some ancient mistake. Anyway, I've been working on the engine. As you can see, I pulled the heads off, the intake off, the carb off, and no matter what I've done, I've not been able to get the engine to turn at all. We pulled it forward a little bit today. You know, there's just no movement whatsoever. So what I think we're going to have to do is we're going to have to pull the engine. So that's what I've been preparing to do. As you can see right here, I've been tagging lines so I can find them. I've got to remove some lines over there. I still got the fuel line to take off, the clutch spring, and a few other little things. And then I've got where we're going to get it ready. We're going to hoist it and put it on a stand, and we'll see how that goes. But at the moment, that's the plan. If there's anything else what else do I need to say about it? The truck itself, still, I'm encouraged by the shape underneath. It's got only 58,000 miles underneath it, or on it, and I'll just show you what it looks like underneath, because it looks not bad at all. Like, the wheels look pretty solid. We've got all our brake lines in place. The undercarriage, you know, is in pretty solid shape, except for a couple of small problems. This is where we're at today. I'm working on the heads at home, thinking I'm going to clean those off. But the plan is to pull the engine, just get it out by the end of summer, and pull it apart completely, and then do a really cheap new piece but as needed kind of rebuild. So that's the plan. So now I've just been taking pictures, making sure I remember how the engine comes apart and goes back together, which for me, being a non-mechanic, is a solid challenge. That and dealing with mosquitoes. This is where we're at this very day, and hopefully I'll maybe post my head removing thing, but that's what we're looking at.